welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a vlog of my maintenance day. Before I head out, I want to do a quick little OOTD. My top and my bottoms are from Skims. I love wearing Skims whenever I'm doing these maintenance day vlogs or just like running errands around town. They're very cute yet comfy, which you know I love doing comfort over style, always, always, always. And then I have some gold jewelry. I don't know if you guys can see. I've got just the usual Gorgiana hoops. Both of my necklaces are Gorgiana as well, and my bracelets that I'm wearing on the hand that I'm holding my camera on, so I don't know if you can see that either. And then I've got a very sus looking matcha. They did not shake it very well, so like all of the matcha powder, I guess, is at the bottom. And it doesn't taste great, but I'll do the shaking myself, I suppose. And then I've got my Gucci slides, YSL sunglasses, and this little bag is from Anthropologie. It's a little Bottega dupe. So that's the outfit. All right, let's go to the first appointment. Alright guys, so my hair is now blown out. I love it so much. I've actually never gone to the salon just for a blowout. I only went there once for a haircut and then I got a blowout at the end. But I might start going there, okay? It looks really good. Now we're running very late for my next appointment, which are lashes and brows. We're gonna go to Dow Lash, so we need to go right now.
Put my trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my.
Alright guys, I just got my brows and my lashes done. I feel really good right now. I'm starting to feel like a brand new person, which is good. I like feeling like this on my maintenance days, but we have a couple of more appointments to go to. Right now, I'm about to go into Skin Farm here in Dallas to do a facial. I booked a gold infusion facial, which is basically like microneedling, but I have a few active breakouts like on my cheeks and forehead, what's new. So I'm not really sure if the lady that's doing the facial is gonna decide like that's probably not the best treatment for me to do. So I'm just gonna kind of like play it by ear, see what she thinks is best, and get a facial hopefully here at Skin Farm. So we're gonna go in really quickly and get this facial started. Alright, so we just got to Skin Farm and now I'm about to wash my face really quickly to get off any product, which I have a lot of product on from this morning. So this headband's really cute too. Also, I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to wash my face with. They have like product here in the bathroom. Didn't think that far ahead. Step 1. Wash your hands. Smells okay. Actually smells really good. I'm trying to be like, nothing's impressing me here.
Yeah. This was alright.
It's okay. It could be better. I have better things at home for sure. Step 2. Wash your face. Oh. It's very soapy, eh? Ooh la la. Also, I'm like trying really hard not to get my brows soaking wet just because I just now got them done. I don't think that's going to be possible though. Instead of rinsing my face, I'm just going to take this towel and get it wet with nice and cold water. And just wipe off like So it's almost like I'm in one of those commercials, like, so refreshing. Also, I was just saying, the scent of this face wash isn't like alarming. Like, it smells really nice, but it's not making me think like, should I put this on my face or is my skin gonna freak out? Which, that's coming from someone who has super sensitive skin, so that's a good sign. Gotta get in the nose. Okay.
We're putting numbing cream on Sloan right now. We're gonna do a gold infusion to her. So gold infusion is 24 karat gold needles that we stamp into her skin. When we do that, we stimulate collagen production, which makes her super glowy, makes her skin tighter and brighter. And we're also gonna put some fun stuff in it. So we'll put Dysport, which helps reduce the appearance of pores and it helps with acne. And then we'll put Silk in, which is a hyaluronic acid skin booster, and it's just gonna make her super glowy. Silky smooth.
All right, so Lauren just put the numbing cream all over my face and my neck, and I'm starting to feel the burn. This happened last time I came here and they put the numbing cream on, except last time, because it was my first time and they didn't tell me I would be like a little sensitive to it. I literally thought I was having an allergic reaction and I was like, I don't know if I should stay here. I think I should go to the bathroom, wash this off and leave. But this time I know that this is supposed to happen, or that like my skin is gonna react this way and that it's gonna be fine in the end. But it's really tingly, especially on my neck. Last time I didn't get it on my neck, I don't think. So this is like a new feeling down here. It's just very sensitive, and I'm sure you guys can see, actually, I know you guys can see the blotchiness. She's going crazy, so, but it'll be better in just a second. But I'm supposed to wait like 10 to 15 minutes, I think is what she said, and it's been like 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, so we've got a ways to go. I'll show you guys what my skin looks like once she's back and we're getting the treatment started. Guys, look at my whole face. Look at my neck though. Wait, I need to like get, call 911. Holy, is this supposed to happen? I'm scared. And it feels really itchy too. Oh my god, wait. Okay, I knew I was gonna get like swollen and red and like irritated, but like not this bad. You guys think I should tell her? Like call her in here? She has to know that like this is normal, right? Because I don't know if this is normal at this point. And it's been like about 10 minutes, I think. It feels like it, I don't know. Maybe it's only been like 2 minutes. I'm like losing track of time. Oh my god. So the redness is normal. Lauren has confirmed. Makes me feel a lot better. So these are just a bunch of needles going into my face right now?
24 karat gold so you can see.
Bougie.
And everything that you've been waiting for, just say I do, because I can see us
Oh
hold.
my god, I'm sweating.
It's all over.
You made it. So like,
It's, yes.
snatched. Brand new.
Love it.
Alright guys, just got done with the gold infusion facial and I feel brand new. My neck is a little irritated and so are some parts of my face, but she said this is very normal and it will look better, I think by tomorrow or something like that. And then I just have to like use a specific cleanser and moisturizer for the next 48 hours, which I'm totally fine with. And I shouldn't sweat, I think, for the next 24 or 48 hours, which I don't have a problem with. Any excuse to not work out, I'll take. So yeah, this was a success. Also, my entire face is still numb, including my lips, so I feel like I'm talking like this.
I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you make it my lady. Girl, you amazing.
Alright guys, so we are on our way to the very last appointment of the day, and oh, bumpy ride, okay. This last appointment is the grand finale of this maintenance day vlog because I'm going to the chiropractor. Yay! The reason why I don't seem very excited is because I've never been to the chiropractor and I'm scared, to say the least. I'm scared, to say the least. I'm so scared that I brought my lovely boyfriend Aussie with me for support, moral support, all support possible. I can use it. So I've been having some crazy back pain for probably like the last 2 years now that I think about it, in my lower right side of my back. And I go and get massages done every month. I have a membership at this one spa. And every single time the lady that does my massages, she's like, if this doesn't make you feel any better, you need to go and see a chiropractor. And if that doesn't make you feel better, you need to go and see your doctor. And I don't know, I'm just real scaredy cat when it comes to the chiropractor. Like, something tells me I'm going to leave this appointment broken somewhere, somehow. Honestly though, I'm like mentally preparing myself while we're on our way to the appointment, because the number one piece of advice that everyone has been giving me that's been to the chiropractor and that loves it, they keep saying that I just need to focus on relaxing because it hurts whenever I'm tense and they twist my neck and crack me up. So I honestly just feel like I probably need to just like disassociate, act like I'm not even here on this earth, so that I can focus on staying like loose and not so tense, because I'm scared. So anyways, let me stop talking about how scared I am and let's go to the chiropractor and get this over with.
Everything comfortable?
So eyes closed for me, nice and relaxed.
Ooh. Oh my god. Woo! That wasn't that bad.
It's not that bad.
No. Oh my god.
So we're gonna adjust. Yeah, we're gonna turn you into a pretzel.
Damn.
How we feel?
Wow. Wow. It's like I have a new back. I'm glad I've seen this one. Woo. I'm very nervous about this one.
We'll take it easy on you. All right. Good.
Ooh, that was nice. It's like the worst one is the nicest one.
Yeah. Good. Looks way smoother. All right.
Nice. Can't wait to come back.
Yeah.
Okay, we have Sloan here with a little post-game interview of her first chiropractor appointment. Tell us how'd it go.
Not as scary as I was going into it thinking it was gonna be. The scariest part is just like the neck. That's what I was really worried about. Like, I was like, how are you going to be able to crack my neck and not like paralyze me or like break my neck? And he was like, it's not like the movies. And then the scariest part, I think, that after he did the neck first, I was like, okay, that actually feels really good. And then whenever he got down to my hip, I wasn't expecting him to do my hips because I didn't explain that I was having any pain down there, but he was like, the hips are so connected to like your lower back that we need to like do something on there too. And he like grabbed like my ankle and like pulled my entire leg like really hard and like disconnected my hip from my hip, or like my leg from my hip. Whatever, you guys know what I mean. It was scary. He did the right leg first and I was too tense, so it didn't really pop, and it didn't hurt, but it kind of felt like when you're cracking your knuckles and like you can't quite get it, like that kind of like sharp pain, like annoying. And so he did the left one and I was a lot more like relaxed. That felt great. And so then I was like, can we do the right one again? Because let's run that back. And he did the right one again. I was relaxed. It felt a lot better. So yeah, my neck feels like the way I described to him, the way that my neck specifically feels, it feels like there's like air in between my bones, if that makes any sense. Like, it just feels so like loose. Like, it doesn't feel so like stacked up on top of each other and like heavy and painful. I don't know how to describe it. Y'all are just gonna have to go to the chiropractor, or if you've been to the chiropractor before, then you know what I'm talking about. And then he told me like the more that I come to my appointments and stuff like that, I'll be a lot more like chill, because I know how it's gonna feel and like exactly what to expect every time, and it's just gonna get better and better each time I come. And then he told me the right side of my back, which is where I'm experiencing the most pain, seems a little off still, even after this first session. So he's having me come back next week, which is very soon, but he was like, the more that you come to these sessions, the more that we can space out each session. So I'll be back. And yeah, shout out to Apex Chiropractic. Forgot the doctor's name. It starts with an O, but shout out to him. Yeah, got cracked up. All right, you guys, I'm now back at home. That was the end of today's maintenance day. What a long day it was. We started today at 8 a.m. sharp, and it's now 3:15. So it's been a full day of getting me nice and like prettied up, I guess you could say. But I had so much fun today. I always really love filming these maintenance day vlogs for you guys, and I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.